Good morning, my RBD fellow Xooma fans. This is my Xooma package. It got sent from the USA on the 4th, England it's April, so it's the 6th of April 2012, and today's the 20th of April 2012, so it's about 16 days, and that was over Easter. There's no charges from customs because they put down a value of about $50 and we can't resell it, so nothing to pay. I think it's down to the postman normally, so just going to cut it open. Ah, what's this? Get all this free, join us rbddownline.com. Oh, that looks good. I'll have to let you into a secret, I'll put that in there first. So, but yeah, you can get this every month basically for free. Just join us for a few months and your auto ship will more than pay for itself. Okay, so that's that. A bit of biodegradable, whatever that is. Let me just chuck that out. And we've got an invoice, packing slip. It's inspected. We've got, let's get this in focus. Got 30 servings of X2O, Xooma Focus brochure, water bottle, truth band, capsules, etc, etc. Right then, so we've got transform your water, focus up, claim a digital watch and camera, Xooma Blast, and product catalogue. There's our Xooma Extreme sausage. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And Xooma wristband. That's one of those cool things you get at concerts. Focus up, and there's 45 capsules in there, all vegetable. I'll be trying one of those in a minute. Xooma bottle. So that is really cool. That is take that to the gym. They're going to want to know what it is, aren't they? It's got rubber around the side, Xooma Worldwide. It's got a straw. I've never seen one like that before. It's pretty cool. It's got a little strap there for something. So there's that one there. Got some more brochures. Wristband. Welcome. Tells a bit more about everything. quick reference sheet. There's a lot of stuff in there to investigate that further. Let's go. We've got our Xooma. What's this one? Blast, Great Blast. So there's it says 20 single powder packets dietary supplement pack. Try that in a minute. And then we've got an actual focus up energy drink. So just add that to water. So I'm feeling pretty rough at the moment, so I'm gonna try those out. That's it. That's our Xooma package. 16 days from America to England. And most importantly, get all this free. Join us at the most brilliant group of people in the whole world. Fantastic. See you soon. Bye bye.